Hey everybody, we're here at Canon River Wilderness area, just at the trailhead here. This is a park in Rice County, Minnesota, just next to Faribault, and I'm just heading out. It's about 20-25 degrees, a little chilly today, but yeah, let's go. All right, so don't have the snowshoes on right now. This is a packed down trail. It's about 4 miles long. I think it's a little over 4 miles. So I'm just wearing the micro spikes for that because there's a packed down trail. And then we're gonna head over to another place and probably need the snowshoes for that one. So let's check it out. Let's see what we can find at this place. It's a little figure eight. It's kind of like a figure eight loop. Kind of meets in the middle. So yeah, just reached the Canon River. It's right there. I don't know if you can see it back over there. Let's go check it out. The Canon River, folks. In all of its splendor and glory. Love how it looks with the ice halfway out into the... This looks really nice. Pretty. Dangerous. Alright. Oh, there's a bridge over there. I wonder if we get to cross that. Simply amazing. It's a gorgeous little place already, hiking right between this bluff here and the river. So I don't know what this bridge is for. My map has no trails or anything on the other side of this. It doesn't show this bridge and it doesn't show any other trails. So must be something. We're going to build a bridge across. Alright, we reached one campsite. The sign over there said it had 4 campsites. Here's one. Nice spot. Probably enough room for maybe 2 tents. Not really any good hammock hanging spots. Be a good river campsite if you're going down the Canon River, which I plan on doing with my wife. Look at that. Is that a bald eagle over there? I think it is. Amazing. This place has a pretty good abundance of wildlife. I've seen quite a few large birds already. You can just hear the birds just talking in the woods. Which this time of year, it's usually pretty quiet. But this place seems teeming with life. All right, we're a little over halfway, so we're probably about 2.5 miles. And man, I am pooped. This is taking a lot out of me. So we're gonna call it a break. Alrighty, today for break, we got a Coca-Cola as usual. Some of my favorite applesauce, and my favorite chips. Yeah. This will get me re-energized, ready to go. Alright, finish that little re-energizing break. On our way back. We've rounded the tip of the loop and we're on our way back towards the beginning on a different trail. This trail is not nearly as packed down, so it kind of sucks. But anyway, let's go. So I just realized, coming up to this, there's a junction right here. I realized that that's the trail that I took on the way in. Because you can see the bridge just up there. But I shouldn't be reconnecting with this trail. I should be up on that ridge way back there. The wonders of following trails. Well, guess it's back on the same trail that we came in. I'd have to go about a mile back to get back on the right trail. Alright, so I went in there. I should have came out up there, down from that ridge. But I took the wrong trail. Yeah, so I'm back here at the parking lot. So, oh, I am so exhausted. Walking in the snow takes so much out of you. But honestly, this was an awesome hike. I really have to come back here in the summertime or in the spring. Maybe to do a one-nighter at one of these campsites. I didn't see all of that. I think I saw 2. They must have buried in the snow or off in the woods somewhere. But this place is awesome. It's teeming with wildlife all over the place. I didn't see any like large animals, but I saw tons of squirrels and chipmunks and birds all over. Yeah, it was great. It was beautiful. It had some beautiful bluffs and cliffs and stuff right next to the river. It was gorgeous. I want to see what it looks like when it's all lush and green. But yeah, it was a good hike. I think I'm going to... I had another like 1 mile snowshoeing trip. It's like on the other side of the river, a little ways down. But I think I'm going to skip that and do it another day because I am pooped. I am pooped. So, thanks for coming along. And I hope to see you next time on Happy Trail Backpacking.